A major shakeup could be brewing in the commercial aviation industry, and United Airlines might be right at the center of it. Reports indicate that United is eyeing a potential deal to acquire up to 10 early-built Boeing 777X wide-body aircraft. These massive 777-9 twin jets were originally manufactured for Emirates. However, after years of certification delays and extensive modification requirements needed to bring them up to current safety standards, the Middle Eastern carrier decided to step away from this initial batch. That decision has opened a surprisingly strategic door for United Airlines. While taking on orphaned airframes requires significant engineering updates to meet Federal Aviation Administration guidelines, it also gives United incredible leverage to negotiate deeply discounted purchase terms. With the global supply chain still squeezed and aircraft delivery waitlists stretching years out into the future, acquiring these pre-built jets would allow United to leapfrog the queue. The move would make United the pioneer U.S. operator of Boeing's next-generation flagship, adding immense seating capacity and modern fuel efficiency across its high-density transatlantic and trans-Pacific routes. It remains a bold move for the Chicago-based carrier, but if the deal goes through, it could redefine long-haul fleet strategy for years to come. For further details and more aviation news, please visit www.aeronewsjournal.com. Thank you for watching.